Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you want to turn your dumb home into a smart home, learn about some tech, some tips, reviews, and unboxing, then this channel is for you. On today's episode, we are going to look at the Sengled Smart Color LED bulbs. This is their 4-bulb kit. It includes 4 bulbs, the hub, the power adapter, and the Ethernet cable. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so here's the bulb right here. This is an A19. This is your standard size bulb. It's 8.6 watts with 800 lumens. It is dimmable, changes of 16 million colors. It works with Amazon Assistant and Google Assistant. It's rated for indoor use only, and it can also, if you don't want to use their included hub, you can also connect it to SmartThings as well. It has a Sengled integration, and I'll show you that a little bit later on too. So if you don't want to use this hub, you don't have to. If you already own a SmartThings hub, you can use that as well. Some of the features of the hub is that you can connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So this doesn't have to be plugged into your router. It can be used through Wi-Fi. You can turn the lights on and off, dim and brighten, and more. You can use the Sengled Home app, which you can download in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. And if you use this hub, you can use all of Sengled's products, up to 64 of them. And like I said before, it connects to Amazon Alexa and Google Assist. You could also set the mood with over 16 million colors of whites, incandescent, and colors. Create scenes, timers, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and let's set it up. Okay, so we have the hub now connected to the router. I use the included Ethernet cable. As you can see, the 2 lights are on. The third one in the middle will connect when we connect the app and the hub together. If you wanted to connect it to Wi-Fi, this button right here, the WPS, you'll click on that. You'll also click that on your router, and it will automatically join your network, and we'll do that when we connect the app. So let's go ahead and download that app. Okay, so now it's time to download the app. The app is called Sengled Home. I'm using an iPhone, but you can also find it on the Google Play Store as well. So when you download the app and it's finished, you'll click on open. It'll bring you to this screen. Okay, and then it'll tell you to make an account or add a device. So we're going to add a device, and right here we're going to choose Starter Kit Home Smart Hub. And this is going to tell you what's in your package: the Ethernet cable, the power adapter, the LED light, and the smart hub, your device, and let's click on Start. Connect your hub. Our hub is already connected, and make sure that the Wi-Fi on your mobile device is connected to the same router. So this is where the Wi-Fi is going to get set up. So let me check on that. Alright, so now we're going to press the next button. And let's get ready and wait for our... So remember I told you the 2 blue lights, the one on either end? Those are the ones that we're looking for. We'll click on Next. It's going to search for the hub. Do you see where it says wired mode? And it also tells you connect using the Wi-Fi mode instead. So this is where you would click so that it doesn't connect directly to your router. It will connect to your Wi-Fi. This way you can place that Sengled hub anywhere you like. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so then you would just pick the Wi-Fi that is 2.4, and let's go ahead and choose this one. I'll be right back. We're going to put the password in. Password's in, so now we're going to click on connect. Wait for this to connect, and the hub is now connected wirelessly, so we can actually take out that wire. Okay, so we got the hub installed. So now let's go ahead and install some of the bulbs. You'll click on Add Device, Smart LEDs. It tells you to confirm that it does say Zigbee, and that's what it says on the box. Use with hub. So let's hit confirm. And it's going to ask you what hub you like to use. It's the one that you just installed. If you change the name, then that's the one you use as well. And we're going to locate the QR code. Now that is on the bulb itself, so let's grab one of those bulbs. And here's the QR code here. So we're going to scan the code. Right there. And there you have it right there. Element color. So this one is added. We won't do all of them, we'll just do one. But every single one is done like that. So you'll just take out the next three and continue to do that. We'll click on next here, and now let's go ahead and plug this bulb in. Okay, so the bulb is in and we turned it on. Let's click on next. I don't know if you can see that. It's going to find the bulb and it's adding it. So let's wait for that. Okay, so it was searching and it says right here that it failed get help. When this happens, sometimes the bulbs have to be reset. Now to reset them, you're gonna turn the bulb on and off real fast 10 times. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so since this lamp has a pull string, I'm just gonna reach in and do it 10 times, and it should, you'll know when you do it because it'll turn all different colors, and that let you know that it is reset. So let's go ahead and let's do that. So let's loosen it a little bit. Okay, ready? 1. Okay, this time it didn't turn colors, but let's go ahead and let's see if it now connects. Alright, so let's go ahead and try it again. Click on here, and let's see if it can find it now. And it's blinking right now, as you can see. And it's preparing the bulb. So we're good to go. We'll just wait until this finishes. It's still adding it. And there you go. It's a success. So let's click on next. And it's going to tell us to assign a device to a room. So we can call this, let's call this family room right here. So right here we'll hit family room, click OK. We're going to add it and click on done. And there you have it. The brightness is up to 100. So let's go ahead and turn it off. There we go. Turn it back on. Awesome. Let's go over here, click on home. We can skip that. Let's go ahead and see if we can change some of the colors. Let's go ahead and here. Alright, so this is where we can change all the colors. And if you can see, it's that. Let me go ahead and turn off the studio lights so we can see a little bit better. And there's the blue, there's red, and in here you can also change the color temperatures. And let's do warm, and we'll change it to blue. Let's do daylight. And if that's like not, it's a little warm, so let's go ahead and move the slider down here. That's a little cooler. And there you go, cool. We can change it all the way to dim it. And it gets down pretty, that's the lowest dim right here. Alright, so we can go back here and settings, room management, and that's how you would add another device. So right here it tells you there's the hub, there's the family room, and there's one bulb. We still have 3 more to go, so you would hit the plus just like before, confirm it, scan the IQ code, and you are good to go. Let's bring back up the lights. Alright, so we saw what was in the box. We also learned how to set it up, change all the colors, add a room, add the bulbs to it. So now it's time for the final conclusion. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with these Sengled LED lights. In my opinion, the only downside is the lack of Apple HomeKit. But that's only an issue if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Philips Hue is a close competitor with HomeKit integration, but generally Philips Hue has a higher price tag. So if you're in the market to turn your dumb home into a smart home, this is the way to go. These usually retail for $119. I picked this up Best Buy when they were having their anniversary sale. And right now, they're on sale on Best Buy. Right here for $69 again. Making this video, it's right there, $69.99, regular $119. So if you are in the market and you want to have some colored bulbs to turn on, turn off, add routines, do some home automations with them, this is a great entry level for you to get into it. And because it not only works with their hub, it also works with SmartThings Hub. You can add these, and then later on you can always merge over to SmartThings, and these bulbs will be compatible with it. You also have the integration with Amazon Assistant, Google Assistant. So if you're in the market for first time on a budget, Sengled's the way to go. Even if you have a smart home set up already and you need some more color bulbs, this is the way to go. If you have SmartThings Hub, definitely this is the way to go. So I give it a thumbs up. Definitely, if you're looking to get some color bulbs, this is definitely the way to go. Alright, that's all the time that we have for today. Thank you for joining. If you found this video informative, it helped you out, subscribe, like it. We're trying to make the channel better for you and more tips and tricks, but we can't do it without you. So like the page, it gives us the opportunity and the positive feedback to keep on giving it to you, and we'll see you on the next time.